Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Today we're going to continue our tutorial about the swipe. So let's get into it. So the first thing you will want to do to expand this swipe thing in our project, actually the way I'm using the alarm 0 is a very good way in case if you want to have the object to do this action just once. Okay, so it's extremely helpful. Okay, this is a very good way, and I use this way in the runner game. It's just this way. The right side would give you the flash, down would slide, and up would jump. So this is the way I used it in the runner. Now, if you want to use this in a different game, say such a game such as this, the rake object rake, which is an object which is moving to the left and right freely, you want to expand the code. So first thing you want to do is you want to delete the alarm 0. Okay, and you want to actually don't delete it, just change the whole thing, add a new code and write allow equals true. Okay, so allow is true. The next thing is in the end step event. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'll just go here, check the direction. Okay, and you want to come to the script here. You know what, I'll copy all this, okay, and I'll paste it here. Okay, something like this. And the next thing you want to do, and this is very important, I forgot to do this in the previous tutorial. After the if I didn't put any brackets, so you must put. Okay, so this width is here. Okay, you understand? This width has this bracket, and the if statement has this. Okay, and you can do something like this, then you can move them like this, so they will be sorted in a very good way. The next thing is this one. I will just do this very fast. So that's it, just in order to have it in a better shape, better look. So let me just get this font a little bit bigger so you would see it. Now the thing here is, after this if statement you want to have else. Actually you can make this a switch statement, but I prefer this to be just like this. Okay, if else, and you want to copy this else and put it after each if statement. So else and else, except the last one, which is there's no else here. Okay, so it will just check this statement, and if it's true it will not check the other statements. You understand? That's how it works. Now what else you want to do? In the alarm we had a destroy action, but we just removed it. So where we must have the destroy action? Now I will tell you. If you come to the up where it jumps, okay, you want to have after this, inside the if statement, okay, you want to write instance destroy. Okay, you understand? Inside the if statement and outside the with object. So this is the brackets for the with, and these are the brackets for the if statement. So it's just between them. You can't have it before the width. It will just be better. No, it won't be better. Just have it right here. It's perfect. Let's just say destroying the objects. Okay, that's all what you need. And now we are in the step event. Next thing you want to have is before all these, before everything, you want to write if allow. Okay, and you want to open the bracket, open a bracket and close it at the bottom here. So if allow is true, this code will run. You understand? Otherwise it won't run. And when it will run when the alarm 0 is triggered. Now the next thing you want to have is mouse global left released. So when you release the button, you want to destroy the object. Okay, and that's it. Now if I run the game, okay, if I do like this, it will tell me what is allow, because it don't know what is allow. Now if you come to O tab inside the create events, you want to write allow equals to false. Okay, and in the alarm 0 it will turn true. So let's just go. I'm sorry, I forgot to do this. Now here, if I do like this, it will keep moving to the how do you call it, to the right, and it will keep moving to the left. But the problem is that, look, it's doing it perfectly. The problem is that it's how to say, it's not performing the animation, and this is just strange. So if I come to the object rig, and where did it go? Okay. Yes, here in the animation we said if grounded, then this, then this, and this, and this. So you want to where's the movement one? It's this. Okay, copy. Okay, actually you want to just copy this. Okay, okay, and tab in the end step and come here. So in the right and left. Okay, so first you want to, you can have it like this, then you want to do it like this. Okay, you want to add the animation to it. So, and you would do the same to the left. Okay, after this you want to add this. I guess it will work. I didn't try it even. I'm just trying it right now. So yes, it works, but it's not working. Oh, it's not working because of this. I hope that it's not working because of this. Yes, so everything is perfect. You see, we have a perfect animation. Once I do like this, I do like this, and no matter what I'm doing, until, you see, And if I move to the right and leave them, like release the mouse, it will just stop. He will just simply stop. And he's just working perfectly. See, he's jumping, and he will not jump like this stupidly until the alarm is triggered. It won't do it. So for example, if you do like this, it will not work because it's less than 5 frames. So I don't know, you might I really don't know. You might want this to be less than 5, okay? You might want this to be less than 5, for example. But I don't know. You might prefer this to be 3, for example. But this would make it super difficult, because if the other one is doing it to the, for example, to the right, but sometimes he does to up, but he means the right, okay? So he's doing like this, but it's doing it to the upwards, okay? So actually there is a way to make it look much better, and it's by this. Let me just show this to you because it's very important. You can shrink down the up angle, okay? So if we come back to the guy here, you can shrink it to be between 70 and 110, and that would make it much better. So let's say that it will be bigger than 70 and less than 110. Now what you must do is you must come here and make this bigger than 110, which is continuing this, and this must be less than 70, okay? Now you are just narrowing the angle, you understand? So now it will just work perfectly, okay? Now, okay, you are jumping, and if you do like this, no matter what angle you are doing, it works just fine, okay? And you can narrow the down angle as well. It will just work fine. It will work just fine. Now, the next thing you want to know about the swipe is another very exciting tutorial, and that would be controlling the object into 8 angles. So you create 8 angles and you control the object movement in 8 angles, and there is the all angles, so you would control the object direction towards all the angles, all the degrees. That one is a very tricky one, but you will just learn it. And I think that this would be very exciting for you, and I hope that this tutorial was exciting enough. And until then, you guys have a great day. Oh, I forgot to say something very important, and I didn't say it in the previous tutorial. Please like, favorite, and share this tutorial. Please subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and you guys have a great day.